It's just that people don't want to admit to themselves that they actually don't have support, that they actually don't care about them. And I am 100% okay with being by myself now. I don't need a friend or a family or a person in a relationship for me to have peace, for me to have joy. I have that joy from my inside. And I'm so grateful that I worked on me, that I gave myself the permission that it's okay, no matter what you have been through, no matter who has disrupted your life, no matter what somebody has said about you, no matter who likes you, no matter who supports you. At the end of the day, it's what you think about yourself. And I'm grateful as a woman that I am in that space in my life that I don't allow others to disrupt my mental health. I don't allow others to take away from my finances. I know how to say no. I know how to love myself. I know when I need to take a break. I know when I need to turn off social media. I know when I need to do certain things for me. I know when it's time to get my exercise. I know when I need to do things. But the thing about it is, but do we do it? There's a lot of things in our life that we should do, but do we do it? And we're human. We make mistakes. We fall down. We take a few steps backwards. But the only thing that's important is that you get up again and you fight. You fight for your life. You fight for your mental health. You fight for your focus. You fight for what you want in your life. If you want certain things, go for it. Don't let anybody stop you from going for it. You have to give your own self permission. And that's what it was for me in staying away from drama. I had to give myself permission for me to have a life that I never had before. If you are always around disruption and negativity and drama and lies and nobody around you is growing, people are just, they're happy with the monotony, the average. And if you are a person that you want more, and I'm one of those type of individuals, I've been a natural born hustler. I've been hustling since I was about 6, 7 years old, trying to get money, trying to do things because I have understood my role. My role is leadership. My role is motivation. My role is to encourage other people. My role is being a listener. My role is to be a good role model and example and to show other people, not only people that look like me, but people that have had problems, that have been through some things in real life. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm nowhere near perfect. But one thing I know for sure is I have been through some stuff, but I'm still here. And every day I open my eyes, I say, thank you. Thank you, God, for waking me up another day. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful for good friendships. See, because before I didn't know how important it was to love myself. I didn't even know I could love myself. I didn't even know I could say no. I didn't know I could set boundaries. I didn't know if I didn't feel good to take a break, because what I would do is I would wear myself thin until I would like break down, like from physical exhaustion, mental exhaustion, spiritual exhaustion, financial exhaustion. And I thought I didn't have any choices. But I want to say to all of you, you have a choice. We can make a choice to stay away from drama. We can make a choice to stay away from negative people. We can make a choice to be happy. And if our life is not what we want it to be, we can make a choice to change it. And it's not going to be easy. You're going to take a step forward. You take a step backwards. You're going to probably be stabbed in the back. You're going to get frustrated. You'll give up. You'll get discouraged. You'll slow down for a little bit. And then you'll get up again. And then you'll fight again. But don't give up, chat family. If you want to do something in your life, it's never too late. Okay? At the end of the day, you have the final say. You have the final say on what your life is going to be. You have